repeated code that we have to put in the program. So today we'll be talking about function, and the two type of function is the void function, and then the function that actually return a value. So the void, it doesn't return a value. So what's a void function? It's a subprogram. So when programs become larger and more complex, it's useful to have function that can do repeated part of the program and put it in different places in the program, and we just keep accessing that function every time we need to perform these actions. So the main reason for them is to reduce complexity, because when you look at a large program and you have to repeat part of the code multiple times, it becomes a lot more complex, especially if you, for example, find out at some stage that code that you've put is incorrect and you need to update it. Then if you have 10 places in the program, you have to find it in that 10 places in the program and go and fix it. So having it in one place as a function reduces complexity. Also, it can be used to share work amongst number of people. So if you have a quite large program, and if you can divide it to function, then